to see your card number on Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to see your card number in your Apple Wallet. So first of all, just open your settings from your iOS device, and after that in the settings menu on the left hand side you will see all these options. So you just need to scroll down and click on the section called Wallet right below the option of App Stores. And here, as soon as you click on it, you will be able to see the option called Add Card. So just simply tap on it, and here it says that to add card you need to click on the Learn More tab, since as you can see that I don't have any card added into my Apple Wallet as of now. So just simply click on Learn More, and here on this page you will be able to see that I am in the official article page of Apple Wallet, and it says that so in order to see your card number you need to open the Wallet app and tap on the Apple Card option from the top right menu, and there you will be able to see the card number icon. And after that you just need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. And if you don't see the card number icon, you need to update to the latest version of your iOS. Here as you can see that the icon would look like this plus icon on the top right corner, as you can see on my screen, and you just simply have to tap on it, and on the next page you will be able to see your card number, which will be your virtual card number in your Apple Wallet app. So this is basically how simple it is to see your card number on your Apple Wallet. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.